Merry Christmas from Lawton, Oklahoma, folks. It's Will from Oklahoma, and just check it out here. It is blowing like crazy, and it is snowing like crazy. Good God, I just had some snow go down my back. Oh boy. But it has finally arrived, the snowstorm that everybody has been predicting. And it is really, really blustery out here, folks. I mean, the wind must be howling at least a good 30 to 45 miles per hour, probably gusting up to 50. And it is just like absolute chaos out here. I mean, it looks like a huge giant snow globe out here. And just taking a look at my patio here, I would say that about at least a good half inch has already covered up my patio here. But it is coming down, and it is coming down with a vengeance. And yeah, but I guarantee it, my yard will probably be covered in like the next hour or two. But other than that, I'm getting back inside so that way I can enjoy Christmas dinner, so that way I don't get hypothermia. So I'll post updates every now and then. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Yeah.